Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. And we're going to be kicking into 2016. We'll make it a great one. Be strong. Go with your heart and believe in miracles, because anything can and will happen. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow down 39, NASDAQ off 16, S&P's down 6, gold contract down 820, trading at 1,067. You get silver down 50 cents, $13.88. Platinum is down $3 at $8.78 an ounce. Copper down 4 pennies at $2.08 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.28 at $36.82 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year up 3 ticks, 126.08. 30-year up 16 at 155.18. King dollar down 61 at 97.95. You get the euro up 16 at 109, and the yen is trading at 120.37. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Let's go to the world of the S&Ps and take a look at them. What do we have out here? Okay, so we have holiday trading. We are right now at 204.96 on your S&Ps. And what you have where the S&Ps, the Dow, the NASDAQ, all the above are having a tough time getting over, is that they're having a tough time getting over the 18th, 19th of August. That is where the downdraft started on August 18th. The S&P, the SPY was 210. We go from 210, and 5 days later, you're down at 182. We've done one amazing bounce off that level. We've done the first counter trend bounce on up to September 17th. That got us to 202. Went back down to 186. Then from September 29th, all the way up to the November 5th area, you get right to the very high again, which is 211. From that point on, what have we done? You've had 2 separate downdrafts, expansion of volume on the downdraft. Each and every time we get up into the higher numbers, it just can't handle it. Now, that's just not our S&Ps, folks. Where you have the FTSE can't handle it in the UK, the DAX can't handle it in Germany. Last night, the Shanghai index in China did have a bounce as large as ours, meaning that you did 100% move of the move all the way back up, and it gave it up in spades. What does that set up? That sets up, number one, it wants to make a run for the low that was established out here on December 18th. That's at 200, 199.83, and we'll see where they're getting juice down at that level. The benchmarks right now, where this gapped up from, which is the October 2nd level. The October 2nd level, the high of that number is 195.03. We go into the NDX 100. We take a look at the NDX 100. Same type of setup. NDX 100 is over we're at 112.31. That's over the August 18th level. That was 111.28. No juice there, but it hasn't got to a high. But bottom line, we'll see how it handles coming into the lowest swing point, which is the 109.48 area. Well, what you can expect out here today is that as we come into this close, the Dow Industrials had been down about $90. Huge counter trend bounce intraday. If we put up the diamonds, and you'll see how this is working out on a 10-minute basis. Pretty cool, because what does happen is that in thin trading, which we have, you can push this market all over the place. And bottom line, that's what they've done. The diamonds were as low out here today as 174.12. Big counter trend bounce get up to 175.13. And what I expect you're going to probably see coming into the close is that they'll slam it down coming into that close. What they did do, and it's not they folks are collective traders, basically. What you had on Christmas Eve, the last 20 minutes of trading, they hit this baby pretty good. It came down. It was fast, furious, all of the above as it got into lower prices. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. If we take a look at some of the strength versus the weakness out here, this is what you have happening. A Valiant Pharmaceutical, that is taking it on the chin once again. Their CEO got sick, has pneumonia, in the hospital. That's down $11 right now, trading at 102.40. Let's go look at this. Okay, so we put this on the daily. This had been bouncing off the bottom, and that baby's coming back. And as we're coming back, so for a day that has light volume, and this is an indication that this baby's going to be, not out of trouble yet. So this had hit a low of $69.33 on November 18th. It goes all the way up to 119.87. It gives up 11 of those points today, and you have an expansion of volume. That's saying that expansion of volume is problematic. Why? Because what ends up happening is that, number one, it's really hard to get any type of volume going on holiday week, and this has it going, 13.7 million shares. You are coming into a gap that's wide open, and that gap is from 95.50. So right now we're at 102.45. I suspect 95.50 will probably get hit. We'll see how it comes into that gap, if in fact the volume slows down as we get into it. We take a look at some of the Dow stocks, what's leading out here, and this is what you have. The leaders versus the laggards. The leaders inside the Dow Industrials today. Disney is the leader. Disney is up 138. It's trading at 107.24. Now, Disney had hit the 108.20 mark, gave it up. It looks like it's actually doing an additional ABC structure on the way down. Nike's number 2. That's up 43 cents at $63.61. You get Boeing up 78. And Microsoft is up 23. Taken away from it on the way down, Chevron. Chevron is off 180, trading at $90.25. Apple's down 122. Caterpillar's down 79, and ExxonMobil is off 80. If we do go over and we take a look at Apple, because what we have now, bottom line, you get Christmas over, you've got the quarters going to be closing on all the companies. Bottom line, what is Apple doing? Apple's banging into this low out here of 105.88, and it's having a tough time holding those higher prices. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back.